The world is full of energy, but how would the world be like without it? No energy means no civilization. Energy is the steps toward future. It's the key to open new world. Today we are here to talk about energy, a source of the world.
Electrical energy is the energy newly derived from electric potential energy or kinetic energy. Electricity can be gained from wind. Wind power is renewable energy, very environmental friendly. However, the ecological problem of wind power is likely to interfere with birds. It can also be gained from sun. The advantage is that it's environmental friendly. The disadvantage is that equipment cost is high, but solar energy utilization rate is low, cannot be widely used. Sound energy is a form of energy associated with the vibration of matter. It can be gained from electronic devices and nature. The advantage is that sound can be useful in many ways. In medicine, it can be used for removal of human calculus. In natural objective, it can be used to detect creatures in deep sea. Nevertheless, it can also be noise.
Chemical energy is the potential of a chemical substance to undergo transformation through a chemical reaction to transform other chemical substances. Chemical energy provides us with heat and is usually used as a fuel, such as petrol in industrial area. Burning of coal is widely used. Chemical energy is generally cheaper, but it pollutes the environment severely. By photosynthesis, plants can generate chemical energy, and in mitochondria, the chemical energy is transferred to biological energy, which human can absorb. Now we're going to talk about kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of an object is the energy that is possessed due to its motion. Kinetic energy is widely seen. Every object in the world has kinetic energy. A flying plane, a rushing stream, kinetic energy is everywhere. Kinetic energy can be easily generated, but is difficult and expensive to store, and is usually transformed into another form of energy for storage. But building a plant like this to transform and store kinetic energy costs a lot of money.
Heat energy is defined as a form of energy which transfers among particles in a substance by means of kinetic energy of those particles. Matter is made up of particles or molecules. These molecules move constantly. A rise in the temperature of matter makes the particles vibrate faster. Advantage of using heat energy is cheap. We can get the energy from sun directly. The disadvantage is it makes energy depend on weather. If the day is cloudy, unfortunately, we'll get nothing. The most important thing about heat energy is it environmentally friendly. Next, we will talk about his friend, light energy.
Potential for light is to perform work is called light energy. Light energy is the only form of energy that we can actually see directly. It is formed through chemical, radiation, and mechanical means. Light energy can also be converted into other forms of energy. Light travels at the speed of about 300,000 km per second. The most obvious advantage of using light energy is the fact that it is economically apparent. Light as a flow is free of cost, and it will continue to be so. The biggest inhibitor of the implementation of light energy-based system is the amount of initial capital and resource investment required for setting up the equipment. It mostly works with heat energy to contain the energy from sun and transform to other energy.
Nuclear power is the use of nuclear reactions that release nuclear energy to generate heat, which most frequently is then used in steam turbines to produce electricity. As the demand of power is increasing sharply these days, the nuclear power became a very important energy. It does not cause air pollution, which aggravates global warming. Its cost is very low. Though it's not reproducible, there's massive amount of reserve. However, it uses much water and produces radioactive wastes. More seriously, once accident happens, the environment would be destroyed. In Chernobyl, the region is depopulated for 30 years.